Best Budget Traxxas RC Cars. The demand for best budget Traxxas RC cars continues to grow as hobbyists look for high-quality, durable options without overspending. Traxxas is known for strong performance, rugged construction, and simple maintenance, traits that make their affordable models especially appealing. In this guide, we evaluate each RC car based on its vehicle type, build quality, layout, driving performance, and overall value, helping you choose the best Traxxas model for your budget.
Product number 1. Traxxas 1/18th TRX-4M F-150. The Traxxas 1/18th TRX-4M F-150 is one of the best budget options for scale crawling enthusiasts. Despite its compact size, it delivers excellent off-road performance thanks to a sturdy ladder frame chassis, long travel suspension, and impressive ground clearance. The F-150 body is highly detailed and mounted with a convenient clipless system, making battery changes fast and hassle-free. Its brushed motor offers smooth, low-speed control, while multiple driving modes let beginners and advanced users enjoy tailored responses. The waterproof electronics allow all-weather fun, and the included battery and charger make this a true ready-to-run package. For its blend of scale realism, durability, and entry-level price, the TRX-4M F-150 is an outstanding value.
Product number 2. Traxxas 1/18 Traxxas TRX-4M K10. The Traxxas TRX-4M K10 is another excellent budget-friendly crawler, delivering the same platform performance as the F-150 version, but catering to fans of classic pickup styling. Featuring a vintage Chevrolet K10 body with chrome accents and aggressive tires, this model pairs visual appeal with strong crawling capability. The long arm lift kit boosts ride height, helping it conquer uneven terrain with ease. Its integrated electronics module keeps the setup simple and reliable, and a compact drivetrain is optimized for torque and efficiency. The truck includes a battery and USB charger, providing great value for first-time buyers. Dependable, stylish, and capable, the TRX-4M K10 is ideal for hobbyists wanting trail performance in a small, affordable package.
Product number 3. Traxxas 1/10th Fiesta ST VXL. The Traxxas 1/10th Fiesta ST VXL is a performance-focused rally car that remains surprisingly budget-friendly for a brushless model. Built on a tough 4WD chassis, it offers outstanding grip and stability, whether on pavement, gravel, or light off-road surfaces. The Velion brushless system provides rapid acceleration and the potential for high top speeds, making this model great for speed enthusiasts. It also includes Traxxas stability management for improved control during high-speed cornering. The body features authentic Ford Fiesta ST rally styling with a durable composite construction. With clipless body mounting, sealed electronics, and heavy-duty components, the Fiesta ST VXL delivers exceptional speed and handling for its price.
Product number 4. Traxxas 1/10th USB-C HD. The 1/10th USB-C HD is a great budget truck for those who want rugged bashing performance without the higher cost of brushless models. This version includes heavy-duty upgraded parts, stronger hubs, axle carriers, and reinforced suspension arms, making it ideal for jumps, impacts, and rough outdoor use. The Titan 12-turn motor provides ample power for beginners and intermediate drivers. The included USB-C fast charger and Traxxas ID battery offer a modern, user-friendly charging experience. Its clipless body system makes maintenance quick, and the waterproof electronics encourage all-terrain driving. As a starter RC truck with excellent durability and easy handling, the USB-C HD stands out as one of Traxxas's best budget bashers.
Product number 5. Traxxas 72054-5 1/16th Summit. The Traxxas 72054-5 is the 1/16th Summit, a compact, all-terrain machine built to tackle rocky paths, dirt trails, and uneven surfaces with ease. Its 4WD drivetrain, High ground clearance and long travel suspension make it surprisingly capable for its size. This model is known for its toughness and versatility, offering crawler-like performance blended with the speed of a small monster truck. The lightweight chassis keeps handling responsive, while the waterproof electronics ensure year-round usability. Though smaller than its 1/10 counterpart, it remains a great budget choice for those wanting an all-purpose RC vehicle with strong off-road ability. For the price, the 1/16 Summit offers excellent durability, fun, and performance.